Thank you for joining us again. I'm Coach Erin.
And I'm Coach Sarit.
Today we're going to be making Brussels sprouts.
So let's get it. Here are the ingredients you'll want to have. 2 bags Brussels sprouts, some avocado oil, smoked paprika, salt, pink Himalayan preferably. You'll want this. Last but not least, black pepper.
What you're going to need to make the Brussels sprouts includes 1 large bowl, a knife that works, you're going to want a cutting board, and a pan lined with foil. Then you are set to go.
Once you have all of your ingredients and the things that you will need, what you'll want to do next is go to the oven and get it set for a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Once that's all set, you're going to want to chop each of your Brussels sprouts in half, one by one, unless you've magically discovered some kind of machine that cuts Brussels sprouts for you. Let me know because I want it.
Now that you have the Brussels sprouts all chopped up, we're gonna go ahead and put it on the tray. So what you'll want to do is fill up the tray with Brussels sprouts, but don't overload it. So a full tray is gonna look a little something like this. Since I've got more Brussels sprouts than that, follow the same procedure with the next tray. All ready to rock and roll. All right, so now that we have the Brussels sprouts all chopped up and evenly distributed on the trays, we're going to grab the olive oil and with a 2 count, just pour it on each tray. So 1 1000, 2 1001, then 1 1000, 2 1002. Perfect. After that, we're gonna grab the smoked paprika and just literally powder smoked paprika all over the Brussels sprouts. We love spices in this house because spices add so much flavor to food, but you're not getting any of those extra calories. Delicious food that still keeps you lean and strong. After we've got the smoked paprika, next up we're gonna grab the black pepper and just again grind it all over the Brussels sprouts. Next up, you'd want to grab the pink Himalayan salt. Dip my fingers, okay? Grab a hefty pinch and just pour it evenly all around the tray. The reason why you'll want to have pink Himalayan salt in your house is because you're getting lots of minerals in addition to the salt as well. Less sodium, more minerals, therefore better for you. All right, so after that, once we have all the seasonings on the Brussels sprouts, all you want to do is just grab your 2 hands and mix it all up. Buttercup. And there you have it. Next up, Brussels sprouts are gonna go into the oven.
All right, we've got them all seasoned. Our oven is preheated to 350. They're ready to go in. Now after we put these in, we're going to set the timer. "40 minutes. We're ready to go. Start."
40 minutes are up. Time to take out the Brussels sprouts and mix them around. We're gonna put it back in for another 10 minutes before it'll be all ready to eat.
Scoop, scoop, scoop. You wanna keep your ears. Okie dokie. Woo. One tray. 2 trays.
And there you have it. Roasted Brussels sprouts. Easy, delicious. Thank you for watching. Enjoy these. Also, comment below and let us know what other vegetable dishes you'd like to see, and we'll make sure to deliver. Namaste.